These are the top 5 goals for the Puskás Award 2026. On number 5, give me Klatus Chama. He receives the ball perfectly and chips the ball acrobatically over the goalkeeper.
Down to greatness. Bow down to football. Urutani Waka.
On 4, I have Kieran Bowie with a perfect volley goal in the Scottish League against Partizan. On number 3 is Ragnar Aish from Cologne. He hits this perfect bicycle kick versus Hoffenheim to make it 1-0. On 2, give me Arda Güler. Takes the shoot from his own half and hits it perfectly with no chance for the goalkeeper. And finally, on number 1, give me Piedra Hida with this incredible bicycle kick goal.
Да се насладим в пълна степен на това, което Алехандро Пиедри